To use dual SIM, physical SIM plus eSIM on iPhone 15 Pro Max, you'll have to follow these steps. First thing first, power off your iPhone 15 Pro Max and use the SIM eject tool or paper clip to eject this SIM tray. Insert your physical SIM card into this SIM tray and reinsert it into your iPhone. After that, to activate eSIM, go to the settings on your mobile device. Then tap on the cellular or mobile data. Then scroll down and there you'll get to see eSIM option available there. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your eSIM. This usually involves scanning a QR code provided by your carrier or entering the details manually. So after this, your iPhone uses the primary SIM, often the physical SIM for voice calls and SMS, and you can choose which SIM to use before making a call or sending a message by selecting the phone number associated with the SIM you want to use. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.